Tasting one Filipino dish is not enough to conclude how exceptional the whole Filipino cuisine is. If you love the legendary Aristocrat restaurant, you might also come to love what its sister restaurant has been serving for many years now. Alex III was established by one of the grandsons of Justice Alexander Alex Reyes and Engracia Aging Reyes, the founders of Aristocrat Restaurant. Named after the patriarch of the Reyes clan, Alex III shares the same legacy of kitchen tradition with its sister restaurants from the family's line of food business. Its first ever branch is located in Tomas Morato, wherein they serve all sorts of Filipino and Chinese comfort food. After many successful years, it then branched out to other cities in Metro Manila, including Fairview in Quezon City. The restaurant speaks nothing but home with its cream walls, warm lighting, and wooden fixtures. Its warm ambience invites diners to experience how Filipinos enjoy a hearty meal in the comforts of their own home. Inside the restaurant lies a selection of classic and all-time favorite Filipino dishes that will fill in every stomach. Every dish on their menu is prepared the same way the Reyes matriarch does in the early years. For a long time, Alex III has been a go-to for those craving authentic Filipino food. It was founded by the same visionaries that launched the successful Philippine restaurant chain Aristocrat. Alex III is a legendary figure in the business due to their long and successful career. The restaurant has an air of refined elegance that is both traditional and endearing to its diners. Let's explore why people of all social and professional backgrounds keep returning for Alex III menu favorites. The Alex III menu is categorized into appetizers, soup and salad, vegetables, noodles, rice, barbecues, old-time favorites, seafood choices, steaks, hot pots, merienda, all-day breakfast, dessert, and beverages. Asian dishes such as sushi, sashimi, and maki are also served in this restaurant. These dishes provide an exceptional dining experience that you will surely enjoy and remember. If you're a Filipino cuisine lover, come here. The recipe for Sucesso Alex III is its good BBQ pork, BBQ beef, and lumpia. Try tasty leche flans, jelly dessert, and ice cream. After a long working day, you can taste delicious iced tea. The wait staff is pleasant. That's what makes this place so good. Visitors say that the service is cool here. Also, guests recommend this spot because of adequate prices. It's an opportunity for you to enjoy the comfortable atmosphere. Google users assigned the score of 4.3 to this BBQ. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other travel guide and information series, TGIS. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.